How to manage lenses on Snapchat app, easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage lenses on your Snapchat mobile app. So first thing you have to do is simply go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner and click on your profile. Now go to the top corner again and click on the settings option. Click on it. Now all what you have to do is scroll down until you find the lenses option. Click on lenses. Now right here, as you can see, you can manage lenses easily and fast. For example, you can clear local lens data, or you can clear all lens data. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.